Spark 2 amplifier. Smart up supercharge. Built-in Lopa. 50 watts of power. Jaw-dropping tune. Sonic IQ. Computational audio. So this is a new amplifier, guys. So we need to unbox. Careful. What is this? More spark than ever. What is this? What is that? What is that? What do you call that one? This is the latest Spark amplifier. Spark 2.
You need a adapter.
So you need an adapter.
These fuckers have got to be kidding.
This one is, what is this then?
Just to put one.
What is that? Strap. You want to carry the amplifier. Here's the amplifier Spark 2. This is the features, guys. And you can put some strap. There's a strap if you want to carry.
It's portable.
Nice portable amplifier.
It's got a battery thing.
Yeah, there's a battery if you want to carry.
Up to 12 hours.
Yeah, up to 12 hours. So it's handy, guys, the amplifier. How much this one, Dad?
$4.50.
$450 Australian dollar. So this is the amplifier.
This is Spark 1.
And then this is the Spark one. So what's the difference between these two? This one?
This is the first model, but this is the second one.
Yes, the latest model. The first Spark 1 and then the Spark 2. So what we need to do is connect. Okay,
Peterson.
we need to connect this one here. So we need to connect here. DC in. There's a connector and USB if you want. We try for electric guitar. And then you can record here. Yeah, there's a recording. You can use, if you have headset, you can use this one. Especially if your neighbors don't like noise. So this is 50 watt smart guitar practice.
the different sounds, but I'll do that later. I've got to connect it to the
How about
Bluetooth.
this one?
Those are your normal things that you go on.
And there's a Wi-Fi here, though.
Yeah.
There's a Wi-Fi, there's a Bluetooth.
Oh, sounds really good, eh?
Yeah, this is good amplifier, guys.
Sounds better than that one.
If you want to buy, you can buy online. And it's only
And it's louder than that.
$4.50 Australian dollar, and it's louder than Spark one.
It's got a looper.
There's a looper, so you don't need to buy a looper, right?
No, yeah, the looper and it just repeats a tune for you, and you can play along with it by rhythm or lead. Let's have a look at device 2.